Well, there's no way this can end in fucking disaster. For fuck! So what we've got here is a Tokyo Marui MP5 Hi Cycle, apparently. Came directly from Hong Kong about a year, 2 years ago, but the power is only about 120 FPS. It was handed off to somebody else. They have put, apparently, every upgrade on the fucking planet inside, and it still doesn't fucking work. So it got renegated to being held under the bed for about a year. The customer would like this to be doing what a TM Hi Cycle should be doing. Let's see how badly fucked this is on the inside. Hundreds of pounds on ultimate parts. What are these? Which make are these fucking gears? Quite possibly ultimate gears. 10 tons of grease. MOSFET wired in. Upgrade piston, cylinder, nozzle, everything upgraded. And fucking PTFE tape.
Oh, yeah, stick a fucking sausage in it as well, why not?
Nothing wrong with that air seal whatsoever. What the fuck is that? Honestly. What the fuck? What the fuck? There it is. That is forward, perfectly lined up. Tooth goes back, grabs the back of the piston, turns over, turns over, turns over, turns over, turns over, and then we've still got fucking 3 more teeth. 3 more fucking teeth. Which means that's getting released way early. What the fuck? That needs completely sanding down. Look at the fucking damage on that. Look. So here it is. The range on this is fantastic. It's doing 265 to 270, which is standard TM power, if it was a normal MP5. It's not, it's a high cycle, which means when you've got the hop set for a 2.5 or 2.8, it does tend to drop to the 235, 240 mark. This one here is happy sticking at around 260, hopping at 2.5. We don't want to be getting any more than 2.5 through this because the gun ain't designed to do it. I tried squeezing more power out of it using a bigger spring, but the motor, you could hear it was struggling. It just didn't like it. It wasn't going to have it. The motor in here is a 3000 and it is designed for speed only. It is not designed for torque. I don't know what make of gears are inside it, but I decided it wasn't worth pushing my luck with them. What else have we learned? Flat hopping. A gun of this power with this length of barrel is an absolute waste of time and causes nothing but issues. Flat hop and R-hop is for 400 feet per second or more. You gain nothing from doing it, and in this case you gain air leaks. What else do we learn? Same shit. Big rubber pads and fucking Teflon tape for no reason. I could not get that pad off without destroying what was underneath it, so I had to replace the entire cylinder head. This, I think, should have been kept inside the gun. This is the correct one for it, but however, because we've changed the spring to a slightly more powerful spring, I left it with the ultimate that was inside it. Changing the spring guide, good plan. What the fuck? What the fuck? Some people shouldn't be allowed to touch things, just saying.